It's Matt here. We're on the job site, and now the next phase in waterproofing the roof is with synthetic underlayment. This here is an alternative to felt paper, tar paper. It's a super crucial step after the ice and water shield. This is so that 20, 30 years down the road, you have a very solid second line of defense. And it's also important to note how the contractor installs it. A lot of people use staples. We use cap nails. This is going to allow for a watertight membrane that's fastened and has no points of entry for water come around that time. And that way we can be just as fast as efficient as a contractor using staples without leaving you guys in the dust.